given position, because service should be given by the council based on their heart for service. Assigning a salary or amount of monetary value to the service of the council is like quantifying what they should do. It's like limiting them. It's like giving a value to what they are giving. I believe that money cannot ever equate to the service that is given by the council, because as a student council, they don't stand as school government alone, but as a member of the student body, and as a student in a whole. So, parang pag binigyan mo ng salary, pag nag-assign ka ng salary, first, ang effect mo, parang sinasabi mo na ito yung value ng service na mabibigay mo sa amin. Parang ito yung dapat mo gawin. You limit it to a certain amount. Second is that there will be a different initiative or motive for running for student council, because student council should always be about service and for the good of the student body, not because you will have any perks in being part of that council. So I believe it is not necessary to give salary for to the students who run for council or serving as a student government, because we run for the position, we work for the position for pure service to student body, not because we will gain anything, any material thing from it.
So, good afternoon. I'm Anne Conde, your Secretary for Finance under the banner of Sigaw UP. So I was asked the question that if I were to assign salaries for a UPA executive committee, how much would it be? So I worked out from 50,000 funds. From 50,000, I would save 10,000 for this 10,000 will be shared equally among them. So this is for emergency cases. So I divided the 40,000 left according to the projects that they will have. So this is not really according to the work that this is not for any particular position, but I'm basing the money that I'm going to give on the projects that they will handle. So for the president and college rep, I'm giving them 5,000, and for the externals, internals, and vice president, I'm giving them the three of them each 10,000. So why so? So once again, I'm going to reiterate that this is based on their projects. So I'm basing this on the projects of my party, Sigaw UP. So for the externals and internals and the vice president, from our platform, it is obvious that each of them needs sufficient funds to fund their projects. For example, for our externals, our Ms. Kiliak will hold the Gilas Pharma, and our internals will have a hygiene vending machine, and our vice president will need funds, especially on his projects about the ISConnect and others. So that's why I'm giving them a larger amount of money, 10,000, in order for their projects to work more. So for the president and college rep, I'm giving them each 5,000 pesos. Since I can, as your Secretary for Finance, I assure you that I will be able to find sponsors for their events, especially for president and college rep. And through those sponsors, I can find the other funds needed for their projects to work. So I would like to emphasize that this is from a 50,000 viewpoint, and depending on the current funds of DIFA, I would give proportions of that amount to the president, to the externals, to the internals, and to the vice president. So that is my answer, and I am Andres Anne Conde from Sigaw UP, running for the position of Secretary of Finance.
So if I would entitle what my current mindset as a movie title, maybe it would be The Bionic Woman. So as related to my platform, my current mindset right now is to give a very strong, very big heart for this, a big, strong will and big heart as to run for this student council and to serve as a student council. So, to be bionic in any way.
My current mindset for with a movie title, I would say Pitch Perfect. So why Pitch Perfect? Because I want this year, I want the UFA, the next term of UFA to be perfect and to have the right pitch. So when we say pitch, it's in music terms. It's the starting point of the whole song. So I want the start to be perfect so that at the end of the school year, everything would go on perfectly. So that's my answer.